Kwa mention on Aisha one.
Okay. So there me before I come to your question, if NIA for say Aisha one attempted registering and on the biometrics I prove say you know with a different name or a foreigner. Any foreigner be man access to register as a Ghanaian. This to approve with the visa of entry into Ghana. So unkra visa chrese waba Ghana ha. It mean register as a foreigner in Ghana.
So kwasa check even work permit nyina ne ade.
Because Aisha one passport no okra visa of Togo.
Enye Ghana.
Ufri Togo ba Ghana so unje visa.
Okay.
So bibi and who indicate so wura Ghana numu a chrese e was a Ghana for so betimi age ECOWAS card ni bia obaji no Togo because na valid visa e den na Ghana for timi register no only for her identity to be proven ebra wode ne fingerprints here there. So what documents
and what the register
and what the year registration I don't know what's a Ghana for come asem and the me nim why the NIA crash had the response in the Bible because it's exposing them big time. Let's just say I no crash a man for being some more can say real Ghanaians are not being registered by the Nkrofo or access to NIA phone pay for name because I don't see why somebody without a Ghanaian visa you better register whether a non-citizen or a citizen. Dear paper no the prove we. And I me call bank. And bomb a bank because a mass or two not. Because they say I block my account. Now say dear so my say me my account no. Me update me.
One link with your Ghana.
My link.
Oh okay.
Just an linkages no Ghana card near the link here and for so many also.
I don't update it.
You see me be fee baby amity address. His address is our Ghana card no so. But nipa no hwe me din na just say the way I block your account in there I am more of a non-citizen. The bank they say me residence permit. And I'm say
residence permit.
Ghana ni residence permit here then. But even with that, I had to go and bring a utility bill.
From fee
baby amity. Me light bill. And son here rectify my account at the amami. So Aisha one, then what you prove ya. You did register and year one. But no question question say how do I know her?
Yeah.
Until I'm say she's an armed robber. Time I'm here deputy minister in Ashanti. No one man na Ghana nibi. Doctor is an elderly man.
Okay.
He should be within his 60s.
Okay.
Or a doctor. Obayan was you. There's something serious happening in Ashanti region. And I'm saying, they are no Chinese phobia be good.
Something deputy Ashanti regional minister.
Deputy Ashanti regional minister. I want you kwanta. Na omu e deal in arms. Omu deal in counterfeit. And omu deal in cocaine.
The illegalities in go.
Kesiye pa. No, omu de mining na cover.
So activities no omu ye no.
Omu ye no. In fact, on my information, I became interested. Say, okay, this is something that we need to start.
Yeah.
Or say, Obasamba. The second time at Auburn, he came with documents, documentary evidence.
Wow.
Book, pictures, site, crawl, something serious. So, what did we immediately I had to put together the security team. BNI boss, military, both the GOC and the 4BM commander, the police commander. That time, na but no, to detain to IC to come in. Immigration, no one now sat down. And you go through at the end, then it means that you can't see a wasted time.
Yeah.
we have to take an action.
10.
Come me who say be aba be go on.
Yeah.
So the next time, ye be operation no. Ghana ni neighbor no. Now there was a Chinese lady Edinechi. Say Chinese lady no ni omo na it's more or less like an informant. That was Aisha one. I never knew her.
On the ne
Ghana
man now obe use as no.
That's right.
The third time the man was coming no.
Aisha one the operation.
I'm going operation no.
Aisha one no no buy.
Okay.
Internet is on mumu na.
Man no information,
you know.
Okay.
Because she's with them.
Okay.
It is a kokra na machines ni gu compound no so almost that the excavators be gugu honum. Excavators ni na filters ni ade na are stuck with
guns and niema no.
I mean so serious, so scary. So we sat down. The military for and they put together an operational plan. Operation is supposed to take off 12 midnight and end at 4. You were the airport site. Galamsey Bushwa.
Yeah.
Your team were at the airport led by one of their guys. You were the airport if you to go and arrest. It was a Rambo style operation.
Wow. This was in year 2015, sorry. 2015. Okay.
I think January January, February.
Okay.
And military no, we did a perfect exercise. Rounded up all the Chinese in the fjord. Site na I say ayo omo dia no omo nkonko kire site no. Omo de soldier for ne nante inwuram ho ana adwene saa ma de echen wan hu site ho.
On do anko kire site ho.
Then ya che China for so by because hoye counterfeit. Into omo ma yet say sifu bi e what fio bia should be picked up because loaded with counterfeit
money.
Omulodu omunya about 6 or so safes free or chechen crofoni ni na the ombegu cells. At the end found out that all the Chinese had resident permit.
Munina
Bia omuchi ni bia had resident permit. Sif no omonim pe no omotiwo. E breki sif ni na ba ko pen na neska bia ka bibia empty. The next come cross here 5 Ghana cedis 2 and a 10 CD credit Vodafone and that's safe. At that time, na Aisha one known in Crawford said the modus operandi ne say omo ma ochi omo wi then they go and take over the site and the equipment in the BBA. So they used to do that exercise, and that is why Omudi Suja for one year man for one site. So it was after your arrest you that Chinese name the modus operandi of who that lady is. Oh. So you found out that Sana the movement and it was no. On one case, I bet me the old China ni no aba. Ni a pet kwako tuye sika kwaje concession. On won tuye bi. But at the end, oba be mine or that concessions because oba ma ya sa acho.
The time I had show no.
And they know that yami me chewa na me de woko. Because under my tenure as a deputy minister, me repatriate 14 nationals. Okay. China 9. Americans 2, Indians 3, also, and I'm repatriating out of Ghana. So she was then forced and saying, "Sir," and that guy seems to have come in with a lot of resources. This is what here. At that moment, then we had to work towards
Aisha
arresting
Aisha one.
And then they lead to, but unfortunately, I was not in office at that time. 2015 March, Omo arrested. She was first arrested in 2015 March. I don't know how she got herself out of here at the end.